and welcome to Vlogtober day 29. After I posted my video with our trip to Ikea, I had someone ask if I could do a Ikea haul. So I thought that that's what I would show you guys today because I didn't really have anything else on the go. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So the first thing that we got was a bunch of pillows and pillowcases. So I just have the pillowcases here and then I have the inserts in a closet and we're gonna put them all on the couch. I just wanted to do like a before picture of before we start like redecorating and changing up our space. So we have this one and this one. It's like square and it's like a really soft gray textured pattern. This one is like blue ink blot stripes. This one is super cute. It's just plain black and white stripes, but I think it's like, focus. I think it's super cute. And then I got a blue floral one that's a square pillow. So those are the pillowcases that I got, and I did get inserts to go in all of them, and they're gonna go on a couch. What else did I get? So we got 3 of these picture frames. This is the Ribba model, and it's just a plain black frame. And we got these to put our wedding pictures in, and we're gonna put them above our couch. So that's what these are for. Eric got an alarm clock because he wants a legitimate clock for beside his bed. I got these candlesticks. You can kind of see they're just like plain matte black. So these are candle holders, I guess. And then I got candles to go in them. So these are just to have like on our dining room table if we want a little bit more ambiance. We got this laundry hamper for our bathroom because we find that we end up leaving clothes in here sometimes because we don't have a hamper. So this was a really awesome like find that fit because it's soft bottomed. It fits in between the tub and the shower. So we got that. We also picked up this new bathroom set that will be like this and the hamper both kind of inspired a future mini bathroom renovation that I'm really excited about. We got a new cutlery holder. This one was just on sale for 99 cents. And we had been using these little buckets, but they always slid all around. So it was great to just have something that we could put everything in together. We also got more scissors because I have been leaving my scissors at setups all summer, and all of a sudden we had no scissors for like 2 weeks. So we had to go out and get more. We got stemless wine glasses because we haven't had any, or these aren't stemless, these are stemmed. We got stemmed wine glasses because we haven't had any stemmed ones in like years. And here is kind of what they look like. I haven't taken the stickers off the bottom yet, but that's what they look like. We also got a new light fixture that's gonna be part of our kind of main living space redecoration. And so that's what it looks like. And it's gonna replace our light that's above our island right now, which is this one. So it'll replace that. Yeah, so that's everything that we got at Ikea. Just some items to help us like do a little bit of redecorating and get a jump start. We also picked out some different things that we're gonna be ordering to the pickup point in Fredericton to kind of do some more redecorating, but we didn't have a ton of space in the car as you saw, so we didn't grab everything, but lots of plans in place. All right, I'm just in bed. Eric's about to come in here and we just got our wedding video back today, so we're going to watch at least part of it. It's like an hour long and it's past our bedtime, so I don't know that we'll get through the whole thing, but I thought it would be nice to at least watch some of it and then maybe we'll watch the rest tomorrow night. I'm gonna sign off and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.